Spending thousands on ads but seeing little to no results? High-end niches demand a completely different strategy. In this video, I'll reveal the secrets to crafting ad campaigns that actually convert in luxury markets. Stay tuned because just one tweak could transform your results. Step 1. Know your audience. You can't run effective ads in high-end niches without understanding your audience inside out. These consumers are not looking for discounts. They want value, exclusivity, and trust. Dive into their demographics, interests, and pain points. Use platforms like Facebook Insights or LinkedIn Analytics to get precise data. The better you know them, the better you can speak their language. Step 2. Craft a premium offer. High-end clients don't want just another product. They want an experience. Your offer should scream exclusivity. Think VIP memberships, premium upgrades, or behind-the-scenes access. Make it feel like something they can't get anywhere else, and they'll gladly pay top dollar for it. Step 3. Visuals matter a lot. In luxury markets, visuals are everything. If your ad doesn't look premium, it's already failing. Use professional-grade photos and videos that reflect sophistication. Black, gold, and minimalist designs tend to resonate well in high-end niches. Your visuals should make viewers feel like they're stepping into a world of luxury. Step 4. Write copy that speaks to desire. Forget generic ad copy. High-end clients respond to aspirational messaging. Your copy should highlight the exclusivity, status, and lifestyle your product or service brings. Use power words like elite, bespoke, exclusive, or crafted. Keep it concise and impactful. Less is more in luxury advertising. Step 5. Use precise targeting. High-end niches are not about reaching the masses. They're about reaching the right people. Use advanced targeting options like income levels, job titles, or luxury-related interests on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Retarget those who've shown interest in your product before. They're more likely to convert. Step 6. Test and refine continuously. Even in luxury markets, no ad is perfect right away. Constantly A/B test your visuals, copy, and call to actions. Monitor metrics like click-through rates, CTR, and conversion rates to see what resonates most with your audience. What works today might not work tomorrow, so keep refining. And there you have it, the proven steps to running ads that actually convert in high-end niches. Want more insights like this? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's elevate your marketing game and start closing those premium deals. Remember, luxury advertising isn't just about spending more. It's about understanding your audience and delivering value they can't resist. Until next time, stay sharp and keep winning. See you in the next video.